Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing to do. I actually had two different boxes and I waited to do them all at one time. Anything that I show you I might have already had pictures of on like my Instagram and stuff, so I'm sorry. So the first one is this cute little charm. So this charm is for the Trésors charm bracelet that I have on my site. The heart itself is covered in these cute little pave stones, and it has like a spot for a key, and then the key is dangling, which also has a little pave stone accent. It actually does open and you could put a picture in it. I would assume you have to glue it in because it doesn't have like those little spaces to like keep the picture in. Okay. So the next one is the Positano Fringe bracelet. Now this is like probably one of my favorites. I'm just gonna show you, okay? So this is the bracelet. It is navy thread with gold accents, and then it has the cute fringe part on it, which matches the anklet that I showed you in the last one. It also matches the Positano convertible long layered necklace too, if you have that one. It's just, look how cute! And it's really easy to get on too because it's one of these slidey ones. So you just put it on and then hold, like hold one and pull the other. This is probably gonna be my favorite all summer just because like it just has that summer fun vibe to it. My next one is, again, Positano. Sorry. It's the Positano Delicate bracelet. So here's the bracelet. It has two layers on it. It has a gold thin layer here, and then it has this beaded layer here. So the beads, they have the darker blue, then the turquoise, and the pink with the little specks of the gold in there. I mean, how fun is this, right? Like this again just screams summer to me. Throwing this on when you're going to the beach or something, just something cute and fun. So adorable. I also have another wrap bracelet. So this one, it has a gold chain with turquoise thread on it. It has this blush sparkly stones. It has turquoise stones. And then it also has some of the white howlite. What I love the most about these wrap bracelets is how versatile they are. You could wear this as an anklet if you wanted. You can just wear it as a layering bracelet. You just wrap it around. You just button it closed and there you go. You could also wear it as a necklace, which some of the colors look so pretty as a necklace that I think I would just wear them as a necklace and not as a bracelet. So this one as a necklace looks super cute. It's just a cute little like quick necklace to throw on. Great layering piece with other necklaces in the collection. You can also wear this as a headband, which is super cool. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so what you need to do to make it a headband is you're gonna need two hair ties. So you just, link the two together. Just link the two together. And then what you do is you're gonna take one end through one, and then the other end through the other one, and then just button it. So now you have, it's a double layer of the wrap bracelet, and then you also have the hair tie in the back, so that way it'll add the extra stretch, and then you just slip this on and it's adorable. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how cute it is when you put it on. There's a cute little pop of color in your hair. Like you could do this with your hair up, and I think that looks really cute too. Like it's just so versatile. You can do so many freaking things with this. Love it. And especially at the price point, like all the wrap bracelets, it's my bestseller. Everyone seems to be absolutely just loving the wrap bracelets because you can do so many things with them, and they're just easy to throw on. Okay, so lastly, I got this huge bottle of perfume. It's like as big as my face. Come on, this is huge, right? This is a 3.4 ounce, and you will never guess how much this cost. This is only $58. Please tell me another perfume that is this size that is only $58. I can go over there and grab every single one of my other perfumes, and I can tell you right now, they're all over $58, and they're probably smaller than a 3.4 ounce because, come on, I'm not making that bank. So, the value is incredible on this, okay? And I'm very picky when it comes to perfumes. If it's too florally, I end up getting a headache. I'm more of like a musky, deeper scent. If I do go for like a lighter fruity one, it ends up being like Marc Jacobs Daisy. This one is definitely like my new favorite lightweight scent. So this is our Jardins du Midi. I took 5 years of French, so let's hope that I pronounced that correct. I'm just gonna read to you what the top notes, mid notes, that kind of thing is, because if you ask me to be like, oh, what does it smell like? I'm like, I don't know. It smells delicious. It tells me that the top notes are a peach nectar. And like, I definitely get like a peachy scent from it. And then it also says Italian bergamot, which I don't really know what that smells like to begin with, other than like my essential oil, and that, you know, that smells more like medicinal. Also a juicy mandarin, so still like a citrusy flavor. Okay, so the mid notes are a jasmine. I don't know if I really get jasmine in it. A white violet, tropical orchid, and a mirabelle plum. I don't know, smells good. And then the base notes are vanilla, mahogany woods, and the creamy musk. So that's probably why I'm liking this scent, because it does have like a vanilla musky base to it. This is going to be my absolute new favorite perfume for like the spring and the summer if I don't want to wear like something heavier. The value, guys. Please, if you know of another really great perfume for $58 in the full size, you please tell me, because I have not come across one. So that's it for this unboxing today. I just ordered a whole bunch of the brand new Jen Atkin products that just launched last night on my boutique. I will be doing an unboxing when those come, and then I'm planning on doing like a how to use them too. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.